change your clothes. Change your clothes. Good. और इसका मतलब है अपने कपड़े बदलो. Why you didn't change your dress? Why you didn't change your clothes? I haven't changed yet. Wait. I haven't changed yet. Wait. आप ऐसे शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कह सकते हैं अगर सामने वाले को पता हो कि आप कपड़ों की ही बात कर रहे हैं. I haven't changed yet. Wait. So before moving further, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. And the next is have a bath or shower. Have a bath or shower. Naha lo. Have a shower or bath. Okay. So she is having a shower. I always have a shower before breakfast. I always have a shower before breakfast. And the next is have lunch, dinner or breakfast. I just had dinner. I just had dinner. Where did you have your lunch? They have breakfast at 7 a.m. They have breakfast at 7 a.m. So जो भी चीज़ आप खाते हैं अगर आप उसको हैव के साथ लगाएंगे तो उसका मतलब हो जाएगा कि आपने वो खाया. Just like I have fruits. मैं fruits खाता हूँ. So guys, for the perfection, please use these sentences in your daily life. So let's move further. So next is give a headache. Give a headache. Give a headache. मतलब सर में दर्द देना. This noise is giving me headache. This noise is giving me headache. Don't use too much phone. It gives you headache. Give a headache. Okay. So the next is say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry means maafi mango. Go and say sorry. It's not good to be rude with elders. Why should I say sorry when it's not my fault? So say sorry means maafi mango ya sorry kaho. Comfortable in means अच्छा फील करना या आरामदायक महसूस करना. I don't feel comfortable in high heels. She is not comfortable in her dress. So what? Comfortable in. Good. Addicted to means किसी चीज़ पे physically या mentally dependent होना, किसी चीज़ का आदी होना. I am addicted to morning tea. People are addicted to the internet nowadays. She became addicted to alcohol. Come prepared means किसी चीज़ के लिए तैयार होके आना. Come prepared. Make sure to come prepared for the test. She always comes prepared. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.